Listing on Onbuy is easy if you follow the right process. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to list your first product on Onbuy manually. So first thing first, log into your Onbuy seller account. Once you are in, navigate to the Add a Listing tab. Now search for a product. Here you can search by name, UPC, MPN or description. Now you will find a list of similar items. You can click on Add Listing to list any existing items. In our case, we will create from scratch. So, scroll down and start by clicking on the Create New Product button. Here you will fill in all the necessary details of your product. Now if you are a brand owner, then select Yes and select the brand from drop down. You can select No if you are not the brand owner. Now choose your product category. You can select the category by searching your product type. Also you can choose it from the list of target category. Once you select the category, now click on List here. Now if you are selling variation items, then click on variation 1 or 2 as per your requirements. And if you are selling a single item, you can choose none. Here, enter your product name, which should be within 50 characters. Now, if you want to add classification, click on Add and insert your classifications. In our case, we are skipping it. Now, click on Continue. Now, select Yes and fill in the field if you have MPN. And select No if you don't have any. To create the variation name, click on Add Variant, put your variant name, and click on Add. Here, write down the options of your product variants. After that, click on Confirm, and then Save and Next. Now, insert your product code like UPC or EAN for each variation and click on Save. You will be in the image section. Here, under the Main Product tab, click on Add a Picture and upload the main image. To upload different images for each variation, click on the Variation tab. Now click on Edit and upload the images as per needed. Once you are done with the images, now go to the Detailed Product Info tab. Here select No from Do variations have different descriptions if your product has the same description. Alternatively, if you want a separate description, select Yes. Here you can select on Set Description and put different descriptions and features for each variant. Once you are happy with the description, select Save and go to the Media section. Here you can upload video if you have. Just paste the video URL on the feed. You can also upload different videos for each variation. And if you have any documents that you want to upload, click on checkbox and upload the documents. We're almost done. Now go to the review section. Review all the information carefully and make sure to provide accurate and enticing information to attract potential customers. After reviewing all information, now hit the Complete button. And there you have it. Your item is now live on Onbuy, ready to be discovered by millions of potential customers. If you need any assistance at any point, feel free to mail us at info@ecomclips.com. We'll be there to assist you. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on e-commerce. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.